My first innovation job was marketing dried soups for Khaled, the leading Dutch brand and market leader in the Netherlands. We sold more than 50 million consumer packets in the Netherlands per year. Not a bad figure, considering the country's population is only 16 million. Khaled had a market share of more than 60%. There was just one problem: the dried soups market had stopped growing. As the new kid on the block, I was invited to provide fresh input into their innovation strategy. I did field research on how consumers used our soups, researched consumer trends, investigated what our competitors, Unilever and Knorr, were working on, and looked into new technologies. I concluded our current market would not be able to generate growth. Therefore, I knew we had to innovate and do something unique. This was in late 1980, the era when microwave ovens were becoming commonplace in European households. A lot of other food producers were already innovating in fresh, frozen or chilled microwavable meals that took seconds to cook. Khaled had to be part of this new market. In addition to being involved in the innovation strategy, senior management also had me take on a hands-on innovation assignment. My challenge was to increase the long-term sales of Khaled vermicelli bouillon soup, the soup mix in our assortment with the lowest sales, some 750,000 packets sold annually. It was an old-fashioned clear soup with lots of vermicelli noodles. Studying the world of soup broths, one thing struck me. Broth cubes were a success, as were clear broth beverages. However, our broth soup with vermicelli noodles was not. Why not just leave out the noodles? And that's exactly what we did. We relaunched the soup as the first clear broth soup without noodles. Sales doubled within 1 year to 1.5 million packets, and margins rose by 50% as we saved on the costs of producing and packaging the vermicelli.